father, grandfather, brothers, and friends. Our hearts bear the strain of tears as we face this day of his death. You, Lord and God, who are the one who arranged that John share his life with us, we recall today in prayer how he changed our lives and called forth from us all that was good and holy. As we recover and grow in strength to stand on our own, we rejoice and are grateful for the great treasures of memories that we possess. Those years together are alive and continue to nourish us with life. We firmly believe that John our Guanyin has not ceased to exist but is alive, fully alive and happy within your sacred embrace. We firmly believe and know that love is beyond the touch of death, and that our love for each other remains and awaits our final union together with you. We seek, Lord, a favor from you when the time comes for us to open the doors of death and journey to you. Grant that our eldest brother John may come and take our hand, guiding us along the dark and mysterious way which leads to the wedding feast of eternity. Lord of compassion, be with us as we await that day, and grant eternal joy and peace to our beloved John, who is now celebrating new life.